Alright, so the very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and head over to your settings. Having opened up your settings, next thing you need to do is to scroll down, continue to scroll down, continue to scroll down until you get to about phone. Click on that. It's going to take you right here. Scroll down right here until you get to build number. So tap on build number 7 times. Now you'll be asked to enter your security lock pattern. Then hit enter. And you are now a developer. It's that simple. The next thing you can do here is to go back to settings. Then click on search setting right here. Then type in developer. Then hit on search. There we go. So click on developer options. It's as simple as that. So for more tutorial like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.